sound. Shadow Warrior 2. Release 2016. Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six 3. Red Orchestra 2, Heroes of Stalingrad. A of Infamy. Release 2017. Shadow Warrior. Shadow Warrior. Aliens vs. Predator. Released 1999. Blood. Released 1997. Duke Nukem 3D. Duke Nukem 3D. Call of Pripyat. Call of Pripyat. Doom 3. Quake III Arena. Released 1999. Black Mesa. Rust. Released 2013. Wolfenstein 3D. Star Wars Republic Commando. Released 2005. Quake IV. Quake IV. Quake Roman 2. Quake Roman 2. Killing Floor 2. Killing Floor 2. Return to Castle Wolfenstein. Released 2001. Quake. Released 1996. Payday 2. Release 2013. Fallout 4 Game of the Year Edition. Doom Roman 2 Hell on Earth. Release 1994. The Elder Scrolls V Skyrim. Dying Light. Dishonored. Left 4 Dead 2. Borderlands 2. Borderlands 2. SUPERHOT. ArmA III. Far Cry 4. Far Cry 4. BioShock. BioShock. Call of Duty Black Ops. Release 2010. More Call of Duty. Black Ops list of all Call of Duty. Black Ops characters. 67 of 91 video games that should be movies. 1 of 20 the best Call of Duty games. Player Unknown's Battlegrounds. Release 2017. BioShock Infinite. Roman II, Call of Duty, Black Ops Roman II, Doom Eternal, Doom Eternal, Crysis, Crysis, Half-Life 2 Episode 2, Half-Life 2 Episode 2, Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, Portal, Portal, Doom. Release 1993 more Doom 84 of 90 list of Space Marine games 136 of 166. The best Super Nintendo SNES games 70 of 116. The best classic arcade games. Portal 2. Release 2011 more Portal 2 3 of 51. The best couch co-op games to play with your friends 274 of 429. The best video game soundtracks of all time 9 of 12. The 12 most WTF video game endings that left you speechless. Half-Life 2, Half-Life 2, Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege. Release 2015. Counter-Strike Global Offensive. Counter-Strike Global Offensive.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and like and comment down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.